Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Alright, so welcome back to our channel, the Parchment Fam. So tonight the topic is Jamaican patois. We're gonna do a little translation, give you a little.
Yes, because we find that most people, all they know is what was it? Yaman.
Yaman
and Irie
and Wagwan. So they might know that, some of them, but we're gonna give you a few words and their meanings, some of the popular words they use in Jamaica and the meanings.
So the next time you hear someone talking in Jamaica, you could pick up on a few stuff that they're saying. Or if you decide to visit Jamaica, then your vocabulary will be
a little bit better than what it is. So we're not gonna waste your time, guys. We're just gonna get right in the video. And the words. So the first
so we have a list right here.
We made
so
a
we're
list
not all
with
over the
meaning,
place.
so we pretty much got everything ready for you, so we don't have to be guessing, hey, what's next, what's next. So we have a few words for you.
Sit down, Junkie.
Alright, so the first word,
our phrase
they use there, we're gonna, it's pretty common. You're gonna hear this every day in Jamaica, especially if you're a female.
Really?
You're gonna hear this a lot.
And what is it?
It's come here.
Come here.
So come here means come here.
Come here. So,
yeah.
So basically I could say come here, Chunky.
Or come here, boy.
Come here, boy.
Sometimes they may say come here, girl. It means come here.
So it means come here.
Alright, so
alright.
Next one on the list is gonna be
Kuya.
Kuya. So Kuya means pretty much Kuya. Look here. That's what it means. So yeah means here.
And it can be used to like create excitement.
Yeah,
so it's like Kuya.
Yeah, say Kuya, where you go, so it means look. It has like different phrases have different meanings at times.
Yeah.
So it can be used in different ways. So you can say Kuya means
Kuya.
Look here, or Kuya means somebody saying Kuya. Alright, so Kuya means look here. That's what it means. Kuya. So if someone says Kuya, means look here. I might like, just like I have this thing I say, yeah, I could say to someone, Kuya.
Yeah.
Say Kuya, look at this. Or look here.
Alright.
So the next one is dong.
Dong.
So it's dong, which is dong means down.
Down.
So if somebody can say sit down.
Yeah.
It means sit down.
Or look down.
Look down means
so
look down. What look down there means look down there.
Go down there.
Yeah, it means down.
Go down there. So
dong means down.
Down.
So we're probably gonna put these words and the meanings in our description so you can see them for yourself.
Okay.
Alright, so the next one is forehead. That is very common. We don't say it's your forehead. We don't say forehead, we say forehead.
It's a forehead. It's like your forehead big like. Yeah. It's a forehead.
Your forehead shine.
Yeah.
Alright, so the next one on the list is another body part. That's ears. Ears. When you hear someone in Jamaica say ears, that means you have ears.
Ears.
Yeah, they say ears.
Pierce your ears.
Ears ring look nice.
Yeah, your ears ring look nice.
Yeah. So kum. They say kum means come. Like say come over there.
Come yeah.
Yeah, come over here, so
it
means are you coming over here? Say come over means come over. Yeah. So yeah means here.
Here.
So come ya means here. Come here. Or yaso means here. So they use it in different ways. It's not easy because you might tell you what it means now and they tell you something and it means
it's
something
about
different.
context. It's just like any language.
Yeah.
English language or any language is all about how you use the context of how you use it. But once you understand the basics of it, then you know you can use it in a certain context.
Yeah, so zine. Next one is very popular. It's popular in zine. Mostly men use that term.
Yeah,
zine means okay. Zine. Just like someone might say, Yo, you know, see a tour we did come, it was two of us over here and you say Zine, it means
Zine.
okay. That's like me saying okay, Zine.
Okay.
Whole heap or enough. When somebody say a whole heap,
Yes.
it means a lot.
Or
Or they
enough.
might say enough.
It's like
Enough money, enough money.
Yes.
It means a lot of money.
A lot.
Yeah.
Alright.
Or a whole heap of money means a lot of money. It's the same thing, it means a lot. The next one is me and me.
We.
Me means me.
And we.
And we means we. It's the
Yes,
same
so
thing.
it's
So
me. And we use that a lot. Me, like every
you say
day.
me.
Me a come.
Me. So you say
Me
me means
there.
me. We
Just,
mean
yeah.
us.
We use that a lot. Me
Yeah.
and we.
Yeah.
Says me and we are us.
So next one is very popular too. There means I'm here.
Yeah.
If somebody say, hey, what's up? Me there. It means I am here.
And going off of that also,
There
there.
means there. Over there
What's that?
means over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Or deso.
yeah.
Deso.
Deso.
Yeah.
Over somebody, hey, where's my stuff? You say over deso.
Over
It means
deso.
over there.
Over there, yes. So
Yeah.
it's like,
You see, they use it in different contexts, as we said.
alright. So
Inna.
next. Inna. We use that a lot also.
It
And
means
it's-
into.
Yeah.
So inna my pocket. My phone inna my pocket means
Yeah.
in my pocket.
Into my-
Yeah. Or inna
And
the
you
pocket.
notice you just use me as my also.
Yeah.
So it's just like certain things. It's like the English language when you
Yeah, it means also me
when
can
you
also
change
be
up
my, so
me,
my pocket
me
means
and
me
my.
pocket.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it's the same thing.
Yeah, so inna
It means into.
means into.
And
We
then-
said it, I think we did that one before.
Yeah, the next one is very popular also, and it's water
Yeah, it's the same water.
as water. So yeah, we're just gonna shorten it as a water.
Kiat, Jamaica popular. Kiat, it means
Kiat.
cart.
Yeah,
It's the
like,
same
you
thing
know,
you call cart here, like
like
a shopping
shopping
cart.
cart.
We say shopping kiat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and the next one is dirty.
Dirty, we say dirty means dirty.
The
Your
clothes
your
dirty.
your clothes dirty means your clothes is dirty.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say it. Dirty boy means you're dirty.
Yeah, we said that like dirty boy, dirty girl.
Mm.
Yeah, dirty girl, dirty boy, but it sounds a lot worse when you say it like that.
Mm.
Okay, so the next one is
Go.
go.
It means go.
Yeah,
Go means
Go.
go away.
yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And the next one is fee.
Fee means for.
Yeah.
We say
Yeah, fee me. So
Yeah.
it's for me. A
yes.
fee you. It's for you. So
And then we use
we
it.
have a few words. It's
We
easy.
use it another way and say afi,
A fee, yeah.
which means have
Have to.
So me
If you say
afi.
you're happy.
Yes, I mean I have to do something. You know, happy go
Happy,
to the.
happy
you know.
means have to.
Yeah. Okay, so
The next
What?
one is guan.
one a galang.
Guan, if you say guan, it means go.
Go.
Or guan, go. If we say go on your way, we say guan, boy your business.
Yeah.
And galang. Next one is galang. If
It's
you
the
say
same
galang, it means go.
Go.
So
Yeah.
galang.
Galang.
means go.
Guan.
Galang, boy your
Leave.
business. Galang if you want galang.
Yeah,
means
just
go if you want
leave,
to
go.
Yeah.
Okay, the next
So the next one is dash.
Dash.
Dash away.
dash way.
It means throw away.
Yeah.
Yeah, dash away your clothes. I'm throwing away your clothes. That's what it means.
Okay. So then you notice we use dash way in a sentence. So where by itself can mean what or where depending on the
so
context you use it.
Where I do means what are you doing? Where I go means
Yeah.
where are you going? So it can be used as what or where. So in the context of what, we're gonna say where I do
Yeah.
means what are you
Or
doing?
you can say
And where
somewhere.
means we're gonna say where I go means where are you going?
Yeah.
And you can also say somewhere,
Somewhere.
as in somewhere.
Somewhere.
It's the same thing as you say somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
So
It's
we are go
just-
somewhere later. It means we're going somewhere later. So.
And then another one we use popular is them.
Them.
We say that so often.
Yeah, them is the same thing as them.
As them.
Yeah, so
and
it means it's two of them. It means it's
more than,
two of them.
And a lot of times we use it, like for example, I'm here and one of the kids do something. It's just one do something and I just categorize them.
So them can be them or they. It can be they as well, because there's a
them always do so on. So it's like sometimes if you don't want to call out one person, you can say, like, you might be talking about one person but you don't want to call them out, so you just say them. Yeah. You know, you say them always do so and so, you know, but in reality one person you talk, but you don't want to make it obvious, so you do like them. But it's usually them, you know, it means them more than one
them
people.
Or they. It can be they as well, because if you say they are coming, we say them are coming.
Them are coming, yeah.
So
again, context.
They or them. Again, so it's not easy to teach you the language in one shot. You gotta be around it for a while to catch on, because we use it in different contexts.
And not only that, different
parishes use different
say
words.
different words, different slang.
Different slang.
So I could go to a different parish that a different
parish. So Jamaica is
like
one country. We use different contexts in every different parish.
Yeah, parishes like states in the United States. So for us, it's called parishes.
Yeah.
And yeah, each parish say something different. Like for example,
we have different accents as well.
Something that he might say where he's from, you know, I might not say from where I'm from. Well, there's something that you would say.
Like what?
Like something you would say where you're from that I wouldn't say. Like I probably wouldn't even know what it means.
Yeah. So in our parish as well, we say they eat off a lot of their letters.
No,
just like don't. There, we say have. In our parish, in their parish, they say have. They don't say the H.
No.
They eat off the H.
Most Jamaicans eat their H.
No, I'm telling you, in my parish we say have. In their parish they say have.
Don't
we don't do that.
We've been having this debate forever.
We've been debating forever.
So I want some Jamaicans that are watching this to comment. Isn't it like the majority of Jamaicans that just eat the H? Like
not my parish.
Sure.
So in your parish they eat the
no,
H. They say have. Hungry, we say hungry. We don't say hungry. In their part they say hungry.
Every Jamaican say hungry.
Not every Jamaican.
Instead of hungry.
The Jamaicans from hungry. Your parish, not my parish.
No, every Jamaican says
go to my parish and ask somebody that.
Well, the next time I go there, I'm gonna listen.
Yeah, just listen keenly. I'm telling you. You're gonna say hungry. They don't say hungry.
And in
your parish,
his parish, they say bengo.
Yeah, it's different.
And I don't even know what that means.
That's just you cannot say bengo. You just have to say bang. Because they said they use it in different contexts. Just like what they say. Are you been do it? Right? Just like in her part they say, are you did do it. In my part they say, are you been do it. So it's different. They speak different words. Different parishes say stuff different. They talk different in every parish. So it's not easy to get people, but you'll get it.
Here.
After a while.
And the accents are different too.
The accents are different too.
Sometimes, like honestly, sometimes some Jamaicans be talking and I'll be listening like keenly just to get what they're saying.
Yeah, so but
oh gosh.
For a part 2, comment in this video, tell us some words that you heard that you don't know the meaning for, and we'll tell you. Or you can ask us, put your sentences in there in the proper English. You can just put the sentences and say, hey, how do you say this or that in Jamaican? And we'll do another video and cover all those for you.
You know what I hate? Sometimes people would be like, so how do you say good morning in Jamaican? And I'm like, good morning?
No, we say morning.
I mean, yeah, morning, but they say it like it's a totally different language, like we have a different word.
So they just wanna know. So some words are similar, but just comment just put your sentences and we translate them in Jamaican for you.
If we can.
Or vice
some of them
versa.
is just some of them are just the same.
Yeah, so just put your sentences. If it's the same, we'll tell you the same thing. So just put them in the comment what you want to know in Jamaican and what's in Jamaican you want translated to English.
Yeah.
And we do all that. So again, we're gonna stop the video right here. So please remember to share, comment, and subscribe,
And
like the video. And we're gonna come back with more videos. So stay tuned, hit that notification bell to get updated when we post a video, and stay tuned for more videos. All right, bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.